In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge accounts in QuickBooks. Merging accounts is a simple way to clean up duplicates in your chart of accounts, so your reports are accurate and easy to read. Before you do this, keep in mind that merging is permanent. When two accounts are merged, one disappears, and all its transactions move into the one you keep. There isn't an undo button for this action, so take a moment to be sure you're merging the correct accounts. Let's start by opening the chart of accounts. Go to the top right of your QuickBooks screen and click Settings. From there, select Chart of Accounts. This is the full list of your accounts like income, expense, bank, and credit card accounts. If you've ever accidentally created a second account with a slightly different name or detail type, this is where you'll see both versions. Find the duplicate account you don't want to keep. You'll merge it into the account you do want to keep. On the right side of the duplicate account, click the drop-down icon, then choose Edit. This opens the account's details. You're not moving transactions manually here. You're preparing QuickBooks to combine them for you. In the Edit window, make the name and the detail type exactly the same as the account you want to keep. The match needs to be precise. Spelling, capitalization, spaces, and punctuation all matter. The detail type also must match, because QuickBooks uses it to understand how the account behaves on reports. If the detail types don't match, QuickBooks won't offer to merge them. When the name and detail type are identical to the account you're keeping, click Save. QuickBooks will display a prompt asking if you want to merge the accounts. This is your confirmation step and a reminder that the change is permanent. Review the names one more time to be sure you're merging into the correct account. When you're ready, click Yes, Merge Accounts. That's it. QuickBooks combines the transactions, closes the duplicate, and keeps the surviving account active. Your reports will now reflect a single, consolidated account balance, and anywhere the old account was used will point to the one you kept. If you still see unexpected duplicates afterward, repeat the same process for those accounts. And remember, merging is best for true duplicates with the same purpose and detail type. Taking a moment to verify names and types up front will save time and ensure your books stay clean and consistent.